automatic entrance.
Welcome to the Education Week celebration culminating program with the theme Break the Barrier to Communicating English Language. We all know that English is undeniably the universal language. It plays a vital role in expressing ourselves and an effective tool of breaking the barrier of communication. Good afternoon, John.
Good afternoon, Lori.
And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
The English Week celebration has been an exciting week for everybody. Several activities and competitions were lined up and were participated in by all levels. As such, awarding of winners shall also be an added attraction for this afternoon's affair.
That's true, John, and everyone did their part well. To start with, let us all stand for the invocation to be rendered by all English teachers and to be followed by the singing of our Philippine national anthem. Everybody is requested to remain standing.